Hello everyone. So today we have to start something called as programming, for which you guys are here, and this is your complete zero level to hero level course. Okay, so I will be teaching you from complete beginner level. So the very first point that you need to understand in programming is you have to understand something like, if you want to do basic programmings, right? So you need to understand something like an input. What is an input? What are the calculations required in the program, and what is the output that you have to give? We have by now already covered some knowledge on what variables, data types. So we can now start using this knowledge by to implement into the programs. Okay, that is why I have started now programming. Okay, so the very first program that is here, we are going to understand the key concept of System.out.print and println. Suppose I ask you a question that write a program to display your details. So your details can be your name, your branch, and your year of passing, or which year you are, right? How do we start a program, right? So how do we exactly start it? So first we'll write public class and the class name. So this class name is something like a header, like an overall name that you can give that your program is about. Okay, and this will also carry the same rules of variable. Okay, variable declaration that we learned already. Okay, so you have some certain rules, and so you declare this class name as details. Why? Because it is going to discuss about your details, or you can also name it as my details. Suppose you want to name it as my details, then what you have to do, you will have a space here and you have to give a underscore so that there is no space, right? And then we write this line public static void main string hours, which will be explained in, which is explained in each and every point, like which word means what. Okay, now let us come to the important point. What we have to display? Anytime that you have to display something, now that particular thing will come in your System.out.print statement. Okay, what does System.out.print statement does is it will display the information on the screen. You can then visually see it. Okay, so what I want to display here is, first I want to display my name Abhishek Kumar, then I want to display my branch CSE, then I want to display my year. So since Abhishek Kumar, this is what, this is which data type, this is a string data type, so you will have to put it inside double quotes. CSE is also string data type, so you will have to put inside double quotes. But 2025 is an integer kind of value, so you need not put inside double quotes. Okay, cool. You can actually put it inside double quotes, it will get printed as a string, there is no issue. But what will happen, see, this is the output that you will get actually. Okay, but does this look good? Why you will get this output? Because the code will come inside the main every time. Remember one thing, your code starts from main method. Okay, so it comes inside and it sees that it has to print something. What it has to print? It has to print this message, it has to print this name. So it will print the name Abhishek Kumar. Then it will go to the next line, it has to print CSE, it will print, then again it will go to the next line, it will print 2025. Although you have written all this code in another line, but it will still print all in the single line. Why? Because you have just written print. There is another function called ln, print ln, System.out.println. What it will do, it will change the line after printing. Very important. After printing Abhishek Kumar, it will change the line to the next line. Then after printing CSE, it will change the line to the next line, and then 2025. Now here you need not change the line more because you don't have anything more to print, so you can leave this as print only. I hope I am clear with print and println statements, right? So we understood one concept of programming here, that how we use print and println.